Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie Jules World, where creativity begins, y'all. I'm excited for this project because today I'm going to bring you how to make a fabric 3-ring mini binder. And this is how it looks so far, guys. I started to decorate it. I didn't put much inside of it, but I started to do a few pages, and I just want to show you I made this beautiful charm to go at the end of here. I think it turned out to be beautiful, guys. And the fabric I purchased from Walmart. And I'm just gonna open it and you guys can see. Super cute. It's so cute, guys. Let me take this out. I love the way it turned out. So this is how it looked from the inside, guys. I, of course, custom made these inserts in here. And a few pages. Cute. I love it. I love it. It turned out to be beautiful. Yeah. And this is a beautiful bookmark I made of my daughter. And I love it. I made it with laminated sheets, and I did some decorating and adding some fabric and other things, diamonds and some gems and stuff like that on there. And I think it turned to be beautiful. And I love about this is not just on this side, it's on this side as well. It's 2 pictures in one, and you can flip it over when you want to change it up, and then you can always turn it over like that, which is beautiful. So it's like a little bookmark I made. It fits perfect in here, and I love the fact that the picture sticks out when you close it up. It sticks out right there, and you can see it. So it turned out to be beautiful, guys. I love the way this turned out. So all the information in the description box below where I purchased my material, guys. So let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. So first things you're gonna need is two scrapbooking paper, and as well as 2 closure, okay? And 2 of these measure 7.5 inch by 4.5 inch. And then the strap closure measures 1 1/4 of an inch by 3.5 inch. And so you're gonna need 2 of those and 2 of this. And the first step you're gonna do is you're gonna need our fabric on these, both of these. Lay the fabric on there, as well as these 2, and you're gonna spray it. And then you lay your base down on there, as well as all 4 of these. I went ahead and did this step ahead. And now it's gonna look like that. Once you finish spraying it, come out and looking like this, guys, okay? So you should have 2 base and then 2 closures. I did this ahead of time, guys, so to speed up this video. All right, so first thing we need to do to put this together, guys, is we're gonna first get our closure, and we're gonna connect those 2 together, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna sew all the way around here, guys, okay? Because we're gonna be using these today. We're gonna have to sew first and then put our snap buttons in there afterwards. All right, guys, as soon as you finish sewing it around, guys, it should now look like that. So let's go ahead and get our snap button as well as our snap button 2. Okay, we're gonna be putting this in there. So we're gonna need an owl, and we have to be able to center this. Let's make sure we center it and then put the button right here, because that's where this other one's at. It's like right here, close to the edge, but not too close neither, guys. There you have it for that. That's all set, guys, okay? Let's put that aside. Let's go ahead and get our 2 base, because we're gonna be putting this in place. Make sure you center it in the middle, guys. Center it. And then do 2.5 inch out. All right there, guys. And then I'm gonna glue this down. Get your fabric glue. Once we finish putting that in place, guys, close that up. Making sure where we can put our next button and mark it, guys, okay? I just usually press down on there so it can mark the spot for me. And there it is. And that's where we're gonna be putting our other snap button, okay? And there you have it, right there. In there. Let's make sure. Yep, perfect, guys. That works. So now we're going to be putting our base, the other base, on top of there, and we are going to sew around. Now you don't have to sew on the inside, you can sew on the outside this time because we're not having any pockets or anything inside of here, guys. So what you're going to do once you put your closure in, you're just going to sew all the way around. Okay, and then we're going to get to the step where we go ahead and put our 3-ring binder in there afterwards. All right, guys, so it should now look like that with it sewn all the way around. Okay, and then let's fold this. Now it should look like that, guys. Go ahead and put our 3-ring binder. So what we're going to do is center this, okay? And how I centered mine was, you can center it with the ruler, guys, and just, you know, measure it out. Or you can I fold mine in half, making sure it's half there. And then in between the half, I just slide this in there, like that. And I put it right there. Then I hold that down in place. And then I just marked that to be at, like so. And then I have my 2 mark spot right there. And that's where I'm going to be putting the holes in, guys, okay? And that's how you can do that. So once again, we're going to need screws for it as well. I had to literally buy these separately, guys. I bought it and it was gold, but once again, that was the only choice I had. So I literally went ahead and put some nail polish, white nail polish on there, and I just had to be creative with it because I didn't want the gold to be blending with this. It didn't look right. So you might want to go that route and do that. If you can't find any white ones, get your Crop-A-Dile, and you're going to be putting holes, place that you mark, you're going to put 2 holes there, okay? Now it has the 2 holes in there. So let's go ahead and put them. I want to put the screw, of course, that has the line that you have to screw in there, the top, that's going to go to the top here. That in very tightly, guys. Make sure it's firmly in there. Yep. Yay. And so there it is. It's firmly in there, and then you have these outside. This is beautiful. I love it. Then you can start dressing it up and make it look pretty, guys. If you are interested in adding inserts into this, you can make your own. The measurements for that is 3 inch by 4 inch. And of course, you line it up with the 3-ring binder, put the holes in there. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you all so much for watching. And if you guys have any questions, please comment in the bottom below and I will answer them for you, okay? So thank you all for watching, and you will definitely see me in my next video. Bye, my YouTubers.